Okay. 2. Promote the sale of tickets for a cruise to Alaska. A travel agency reduces the regular ticket price of $3,000. Right? $3,000. It's reducing it. What does it mean to reduce? It's reducing it by $15 for each individual traveling in the group. All right? So $3,000. That's the original price of a ticket if nobody goes. But for each person that comes, they're going to reduce the ticket price. So we're going to subtract how much? $15 per person. So times P. But this is a linear equation, so I need to say this is equal to something. What's the other missing variable? T, ticket price. So that's how you do that. If we plug in 30 here, we got to find the ticket price. So we're just going to subtract, right? 3,000 minus 15 times 30. I think that's 2550. If I plug in 40, oh, here we got to put an ordered pair, so 30 comma 2550. If I plug in 40, we're going to get 3,000 minus 15 times 40. That's 2400. So 2400, 40 comma 2400. Now to graph this thing, notice that the t-intercept is 3,000. And then another point, we can just plug in any other point, like 40 comma 2400. So 40 up to 2400. Where's 2400? Like right here. So where's that? Like right there. Okay. So this is doing it by hand, which is a good practice, because on the test you have to do things by hand. So let's see how webassign works. Just plug this stuff in. T equals 3,000 minus 15p. Here we got 2550. We have 10 comma 2550, and so forth. You can plug those things on your own. Let's focus on this. This is a little bit tough. 3,000. Let's hit the line. Select that and now click there. Boom, you got 1 point. Hit the line again. It's kind of hard to deal with this iPad, but I'm gonna hit this arrow. This is really cool. Hit this line thing, and now watch this. For my other point, I will put 40, 2400 of that. That's an easy way to get our graph going. So now I'm gonna hit this line, and boom, now it's black. That line needs to be black. That means it's a real line. So now, as the size of the group increases, the ticket price decreases. And lastly, use the graph to determine the cost of an individual ticket if a group of 50 students go. Okay, so 50, how high is it going? How high does 50 go? So 50 is here. We just got to figure out that height. That's what we're doing, right? So how high is that? That's like 2250, right? Oops, wrong one. 2250 goes like right there. Yep. Okay, so you got to do that over here. So 2250. Submit for testing. See how we did. And we are ha. I just realized that this is a 10 and not 15. I was thinking of a different question, but it's pretty much how you do it. Everything is incorrect, but it's all correct if that 10 was a 15. Now you know how to do it. All right. Hey, I got one right. It's a check mark. But yeah, now you know how this tool works on creating lines and how to do this question. Adios.